In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a foundation repair business that in the last 30 days has generated 36 leads. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClickGeek here. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more great content. Now let's dive into this campaign. So this particular campaign, we have a $200 per day budget. In the last 30 days, it has spent $4,405.94. It has had 300 clicks. It has a conversion rate of 12%, which is a bit on the lower end of what we prefer. However, this is just over a week. I think it's a month and a week old. So over time, this will improve as we make corrections to optimizations to the landing page. So, and then it has 36 leads or conversions. And then it has a cost per lead or acquisition of $122.39, which is below what our maximum goal is. So this is exactly where we want to be on this campaign. So this particular campaign is driving both lead form and calls. So the consumer, once they hit the landing page, they have the option to fill out the application form on the page, or they can touch to dial with a mobile device, or they can call from a landline, the same number. So, and then all those leads track back into this campaign. Let's take a look at the ad groups that we have set up for this campaign. Foundation repair, foundation inspection, foundation piers, home foundation repair, Plano foundation repair, pier and beam foundation repair, McKinney foundation repair, and then these are driving the majority of the leads here, as you can see. And then currently we have a target CPA set up of $160, and then we are below that, so that is great. Here are the keywords that we have set up. So we have a broad match foundation repair, which helps us to drive more volume here. So we have foundation repair experts, phrase match, free foundation inspection, foundation repair services, location repair, foundation repair pros, foundation inspection, foundation inspector. So if you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link down in the description below. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.